Just get all of the outside paper. You won't see anything. We had to make the box.
Well, where I used to work, they used to, exactly like all the time. Couldn't use them unless you had on top.
There you go, man. Okay, let me see the box, and I'll just take it for you. I'll just put this tape for you. Cause you gotta be careful the way you open it up. Okay.
Don't let him open it.
I am, honey, I'm just, okay, now, I just gotta figure it out. Okay, you gotta take these in.
She's not
This
gonna
is
say,
a
she's
little
just a regular.
Oh, she just said you were.
Nana done this.
Where did the sausage come?
I don't know.
There was
Didn't you give up?
No, it didn't. I'm sorry, baby, but it stopped right here.
Okay, you should
It really did.
be able to go from there, just pull this open and it should open right up.
And be careful.
Yeah, be careful.
Oh, where's the box?
Just right there.
Oh, there. Okay.
Oh, she take your own,
Yeah.
she take right here.
Die of old age first.
There you go.
Oh.
Oh, boy.
Oh, be careful! Be careful!
It's not loaded.
Yeah. I'll have to show you, here's the paperwork for it.
No, your hand must not be in the
Yeah,
trigger.
your finger never.
No, must not be in the trigger.
Yeah. Lourdes knows about that, don't you, Lourdes?
Yeah.
And I'll show you.
George's head, but he is.
Look, how can we fix anything?
George made sure it was unloaded.
Yeah, I made
Say
sure
thank
it was unloaded.
Oh.
And I'll show you how it works later.
Yeah, you have to put that back. You need to keep it.
You have to put it in the box and you can read the manual.
Yeah.
I'll tell you what, Vince, I started for you. It will,
Be careful.
it will go through, it'll go into the wood. It shoots,
Like it shoots BBs.
it shoots pellets.
Is that the manual?
Both of them.
Oh,
4 BBs, whichever.
Vince, here's the manual.
What he'll do, he'll take you to the gun range one day when it's pretty
Yeah.
and let you shoot it out there and
Be
learn
careful.
how to use it. How do you want to take the box back up?
Yeah, we can. Well, I'm gonna show him later how to work it. I'll tell you what, let's do this.
Put it in your room for
Yeah, I was
now.
gonna say, let's put it in.
Yeah.
We'll just put it here.
Yeah, it's better to keep
And I'll let
that
this
one.
start grooving, and then we'll be good to go.
Yeah. Just put it in your room for now.
How about right here for now, and then we go to the room, I'll bring this in there and show him basically how to.
Okay. All right.
Okay.
Alright, you ruined Christmas, George.
We'll really take
Yeah.
the paper.
This is from Paw and Nana.
I know my arms are weird, but
You look like a present.
I feel like a president.
Asher's going.
Oh Lord, it's batteries.
Asher's open from Papa and Nana.
From Paw and Nana. That's y'all. Amazon box. It's rainbows. Oh yeah. I will happily give you those 5 pistachios.
Oh wait, those are cool.
I know, right?
But yeah, I
Oh yeah. There you go. There's my new work tennis shoes. Thank you. Appreciate that. Don't need that part.
You're gonna make Sneaky have a heart attack or pee on the bed. I'm gonna hit you.
And then you'll have a heart attack.
Okay, pee on the-
All right. These are all awesome, Nana and Pawpaw.
Let me know if they don't fit either, then I'll get them.
I will, and thank you for taking my note about tread very seriously.
I figured those would be good
Oh,
when
yeah.
it's decent weather,
Yeah,
and the other ones when it's really, really cold.
I'm so much a fall risk, it's not funny.
Those are nice.
Those are still look at the
Nice.
tread on those things.
Cool.
I know, I'm gonna go play soccer.
Yeah.
What's up? What size are they?
I don't know.
Yeah,